Hey smart dropshippers, in this video we will learn how to customize your shop completely using WordPress built-in customizer and Astra Theme. So in this video I will teach you how you can structure your site layout, insert your logo and set up the pages and other settings like font color, font style and everything using the customizer. You can do it for free and without any help by watching this video. So let's jump in.
In this video lesson, we will learn how to customize your shop. I will show you different things based on WordPress customizer, which comes with WordPress default installation, and different theme have different settings and options inside customizer. We can completely change the layout and appearance of any theme using the customizer. Let's start with permalink first, then we will move to the customizer. Permalinks are permanent links or URL structure of your site. We need to set it from here. Go to the settings and permalink option. I am showing you a little different structure than any other tutor because I think if the category and post names or tag names are short, it will be well visible in Google search result. First, you have to set the post name, and we are going to create category base and product tag base here. We will choose product category base as category or cat. Less text is better than many here. Then we will choose tag base as p tag and product permalink as p. You don't have to change any attribute base. We will select the custom base and remove everything and keep only p slash. And I am going to show you how it will look on the front end now. Keep save changes. Now we can see permalink structure is updated. The post is default post name and product category base is cat and product tag base is p tag and also the custom base is p. You can keep the default, but I recommend this structure. Now we will see a product. Now if we closely look at the URL at title bar, you can see the defined product base has appeared as P only. This step is optional. You can keep the default, but I recommend to use these settings. It will help greater visibility in search engines. Also we can see the category link is showing as cat only. Now we will going to change Elementor option because it will help to reduce the loading time of our website. For this, go to Elementor settings, remove the post and product checkbox from here. We only use Elementor to build our pages and don't need anything else. Also, we will disable the default Elementor CSS functions and color option and fonts by checking these two buttons. Press Save Changes. Next we will see the Style tab. Because we are already disabled the style sheet and font options, we don't need to change anything from here. Whatever we will set in our customizer option, our website will load these fonts and settings from there. It will not affect the Elementor options. Now coming to the theme customizing option, this lesson could take a while because everything I will try to cover in details. So go to the appearance and customize. It may take some time to load. You can change your entire website or shop layout from this settings page. First, we will take a look at the layout option. Click on layout from the left hand sidebar. First, here is the container settings. The default width of your site and default container is shown at boxed, and all the pages and posts are same as boxed. We don't need to change anything here. Now we will change the logo. Go to site identity and remove the default logo. You can also set a retina logo which is twice the size of the main logo from here. For this tutorial we will use the logo we have created previously, and I have already uploaded the logo here. You can upload from here. Just click the select files and browse your logo or select from the media library. We are not going to crop this logo, so skip cropping. Now logo would be appeared on the header. That's it. The logo is a little big, so we will adjust the width of this logo from here. Slide the bar or type in the pixel value inside the right side box of this bar. Now you can enable or disable to display the title and tagline from here. Also you can change the site tagline. These are optional. You can change or keep the default values here. Remember, we have set the site title and tagline when we installed the WordPress. Play around with these settings and keep what you found best. Now here is the site icon. Site icon appears here in the title bar of any website you have probably seen. We will use our logo and icon from there. Keep in mind this image has to be 512 by 512 pixel. This is the preview how it will look. And you can see now it has been appeared on the top left corner. This is also called Favicon or site icon. Next we will set up the header. You can keep your logo at left or at middle or right side as you wish. You have also option to disable the entire main menu from here. Let's see how it looks when you change the position of your logo. The default looks fine, so we will keep it. You can also hide this menu. The last item in the menu is WooCommerce, that is the cart button. As this is a e-commerce website, we suggest you to put the cart button on top like this. Also you can change it to show the search button or any custom HTML or widget. These settings are helpful when you are building another type of website, but we will keep the cart icon here, that is marked as WooCommerce. You can also change the bottom border size and header width from here, also the submenu, but we don't need these little things. The Astra theme is very good because we can customize many aspects from this customizer option. You can also set the animation type, menu breakpoint, etc. Play around with these settings and keep the best. Now we will see how it will look on tablet devices and mobile devices. It will look nice as we can see here. Hide the last item in the menu on mobile. You can hide it or keep it. Also you can take it outside the hamburger menu or the folded menu. This is the last item, cart. We can also keep it outside the menu like this. It is very much recommended to keep this as it. You can set the header alignment and many more small settings from here. Now we will see the blog and sidebar settings of our site. As we are not using the blog currently, we can leave this default. And for the sidebar, you can change anywhere to display the sidebar. So this is the default sidebar, default pages, and WooCommerce sidebar. There is only WooCommerce left sidebar will be appearing, and it will be hidden on blog and other pages, as we can see. So now we are going to the footer settings. Some footer widget, we can enable or disable the widget area from here, and we can customize the text from here. That's the footer bar, and there are two sections for copyright settings and powered by text. We can change this text to anything as required. Now we will test this. As you can see, we are putting our Smart Cyber blog name here, and I will link it, just copying the URL from our main site and replacing the hash with this link. Also, don't forget to put the HTTP or HTTPS here as required. Now the link has been appeared on this copyright area. We can also change this and replace this text. I will show you later in this video how we can put a menu or some social link here. But for this video, we are just showing how you can change the text. Now you can see the text has been gone from section 1 to section 2. In this way you can have any text here. This is the width settings of the footer bar and the border. Now we will see the WooCommerce settings from here. For this you have to go to any shop page or any category page, because it will not affect the home page. It will only work on the pages created by WooCommerce. Now here we can see the sidebar also, as we have set to show the WooCommerce sidebar on left side. Now here we can define how many products will be visible in a single column. Like this, we can show 3 products, 4 products, or 2 products as we like. And we can also set how many products will be displayed on a single page. If there are more than 12 products, it will show on the next page. Now this is the swap image settings. The images will be changed according to your images on every product. We can also drag and drop this title, category, and price, and also the ratings from here. I will show you how you can do it very easily with drag and drop. We are changing this ratings above and the price is below. You can see it just changed. Now we will see a single product page. Here is only one option to disable breadcrumbs, but I will suggest you to enable the breadcrumb because it will help you to become more visible in search engine pages. Google will index this breadcrumb and it will go like this. So I suggest you to enable this. Google will follow this path: home, fashion, brown, blazer, jacket, etc. Now here is the cart page. Here you can enable or disable the upsells. You can see it only on the cart pages. Upsells means the additional product you can sell on the cart pages. It will help you to sell more products. Now we will change the color settings. For this you have to go to the base color option. Here you can define any color as you like, but for branding purpose I will suggest you to keep the logo color or the branding color, but you can change it to any color as you like. From this panel we can change any color layout by putting the hex code or using the color picker. I am choosing this violet color as we have set in this logo. Also you can change the link color and text color, also the link hover color from here. Let's see. This is the link color. You can change it to any color. I am using our brand colors here. You can see it has been changed. You can also set the background color or any background image as you like, but it will only for customizing purpose. There are also some advanced color settings here. You can check them if you like. Now here you can change the footer widgets color, text color and link color. These are the widget text and titles. You can change it to anything, as I am using our brand color. These all steps are very optional. You can do this or leave this as the default. You can also change the footer widget background color like this. These are all optional. Here is the transparency and color depth settings. Anyways, you can skip this if you like. Now we will see the footer bar text color and link and background color from here also. Now we are going to the typography and font settings. You can select any Google font for your website. Google fonts are also free and widely accepted. For this, you have to go to the fonts.google.com, or you can search Google Fonts from Google. I am showing you the default font for this site, that is Nunito. You can see how Nunito font will look like. This is the default set font. You are free to access any font from this library of Google font. Just you have to remember the name of the font and set it here inside the font family. You are free to use any font. There are thousands of free fonts, but I will tell you that if you like, you can use a single font for the logo and also the website. It will help you to load your website faster and define some brand element. Play around with this typography or font settings. You can change the size, line height, paragraph margin and other settings from here. You can also change the heading font from here. You can keep both the same, or you can set different font for headings and different for the body text. This Astra theme has nice features, as you can see from here. You can customize every little details within the customizer option. Just set any font you like. Again, this step is optional. I am showing you because some student may need to change the font and don't know how to do this. You can also set the size of the font for different headings like header 1, header 2, etc. You can increase or decrease the pixels of your font from here. Also, you can change the blog pages font size from here. Now we will see the buttons. The button text color, hover color, background color, etc. from this setting. You can customize from here, and you can set. These are home page settings. You have to set a single page for the home page like this. Now this is an interesting thing. You can set a Sitewide message or notice for your users from this WooCommerce store notice. This area is provided inside the WooCommerce plugin because sometimes we need to offer discount and coupons or any urgent notice for our users. So we can define it from here and it will show on all the pages of this website. For an example, I am here offering 20% off for new customers. Also, remember you have to create this discount coupon if you announce it from this WooCommerce notice. Now this is the product catalog settings and you can change them or leave them as default. This is the page nation or next page settings. This is the size of product images, 600 by 300. You can change this. Now we will see the checkout page. Here you can change some settings to hide particular fields of checkout form. This is a one-page checkout form and your customers will see this after adding the cart item and going to checkout. You can change the company name field from here. You can hide it or you can show it as required. You can also hide this optional address to line and phone number. These are the essential settings and privacy and terms and conditions page. I will show you in details about terms and condition and privacy policy later in other videos. And that's it. We have customized our shop using the customizer provided by WordPress. See you in the next video.
In this video, we have customized everything of our dropshipping based website, and you have learned how to change the logo, how to set the fonts and everything throughout this video. So in the next lecture, I will show you how to create the terms and conditions and privacy policy and return and refund policy pages using two options. So let's jump in to the next video. If you have already subscribed this channel, that's great, and if you have not subscribed it yet, I would like you to subscribe this channel right now. So see you soon.